Hey everybody, this is Yaya from Nova Lily Herbals or Conscious Living on YouTube. This video is for Jamerica on YouTube. Jamerica, I just want to say I love all of your videos. And Sweet Potato Home Vines, I love your videos too. And I learned a lot from both of you, and I'm so grateful for your videos. Thank you so much. And thank you for being responsive too, because some YouTubers, they don't talk back to you. And you guys talk back, so I really appreciate your videos. So Jamerica, I promised I would make you this video. So I thought we kind of had the same greenhouse. So this is my greenhouse right here. Kind of looks the same, and I remember you were saying you were having issues with your panels flying off, and I was having issues with them flying off too. So what I did was I drilled the panels into the metal. You see the up ones, they're screwed in, they're screwed into the metal of this. So now, because I live in a windy city, well, I live in the suburbs of the windy city, and it does get windy, and so now they do not fly off. So they're screwed in at the top over here, they're screwed in at the bottom over here, some of them are screwed in at the top up there. So they're just screwed into basically the skeleton, and it didn't crack the panels or anything. So I know you were using duct tape to keep them in, and you know, if that works for you, that's cool. But the screwing does work. It does work for it, and they don't fly off anymore. So yeah, it's all around screwed in. So there you go. That is for you, Jamerica. I'll see if I can tag you in it, just to show you that it does work. And thanks for watching my video, and thanks for making videos. And yeah, y'all have a good day. See you next time.